Okay, here we are on Sunday, June 9th, 2019 at 2:30 in the afternoon, and we really didn't know what to do. We were sitting in my house with no television going, no noise, just sitting there looking at pictures of my Shy. Unfortunately, she succumbed to age. She was 14 and a half and kidney failure, and we lost her yesterday. So, today we are doing what we know how to do best. We're getting out. This is the old Rosalie Trail. We honestly don't know how far we're gonna get. Jack is happy as a clam to get out. He didn't like that rock. Oh, I still see snow. I should mention it was only about 40 degrees when we got out of the truck. It's chilly. Chilly. So, and I don't know how far we'll go, but this is close to the house and it gets us out. Okay, we didn't get far. We've had our first casualty already. My butt is wet. This is ice. And you can see right up there. Now Jack has toenails. That's his yak tracks. I did not think to bring them, but I walked out on this thinking it was partially snow, and it's ice. So I immediately, my pole went out from under me, and I slipped on the ice. Jack, come here. Come here. Oh, ding dong. Jack, come here. Okay. Wow, look at this. Over there. He found snow and he's rolling, and I'm trying to navigate very large rocks. I think a few years ago, if I understand correctly, with all the flooding, this was rerouted, is what Dean was saying. And so this old trail flooded and is not used as much. Whoa. You can hear I got new poles, and they're aluminum, and boy, they're noisy. Hear them clank, 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 clank. Okay. We only went a short ways further. I don't know if we were even a mile and a half in, but the rocks, the boulders were kind of ridiculous. And I started thinking about it. You could hear the rumbling of the water. And I was like, I'm not sure how smart it is on a huge snowpack season like we had to be going on a trail with a history of flooding. Probably gone far enough. We explored it let's not get stupid. And the rocks were bad. And it's hard for me because I've had 2 ACL surgeries on my right leg trying to fix it. The first one was a hamstring graft, and it completely annihilated that hamstring tendon back there on the right side, which makes it really difficult for me to lift that leg up. And when you're in boulders, that's exactly what you have to do. So it's a very arduous thing for me to do. So I was like, yeah, between that and the water runoff, which is pretty, but it's like, yeah, 1.5 miles up is probably good. Okay, I am going to show everybody why Jack is on the leash. This scares me, but it's so pretty. Check this out. There's the river above us. And blooming waterfalls. It's super cool, but yes, Jack is on the leash. You can see where somebody has set up a fire ring, and it's kind of flat down here right next to the water. Hopefully you're not camping down here. You're supposed to camp a couple 100 feet away from the water. I could see where this beautiful setting would be quite tempting. Nice and flat. They see a fire ring. But, no. I mean, I'm certainly no expert, but you're not supposed to be that close to the water source. Check that out. Let me crouch down. I'm walking around this. You can see why. And not only, not only is this ice, but it's ice with like hollow parts underneath. So it's an ice bridge. It definitely is. Okay, we found a rock that was crying out and said, sit on me, sit on me. It was just perfect size. So that's what we're doing. We're taking a break, and I gotta show you this. Everybody should have trail pizza. In the last couple of days, we have been busy with hospice care of my dog Shiloh, and so we've been doing crazy things like ordering pizzas and not eating very healthy, but we're gonna finish it off today. And I've been having great memories of Shiloh and thinking about her next to the water. I would have had to watch her like a hawk. She loved water, like Australian Shepherds should not. I swear she was part lab, but she will be so, so missed. Okay, we're almost out. It was a lovely getaway this afternoon to just get out and reminisce. And let's see, you are here. You can't even see the trails. Okay, this is the Tanglewood that goes to Rosalie. This is the new Rosalie. So we went up. Oh, we would have been right alongside this side of the creek on the old Rosalie, which is not even on the map. But not Evans Wilderness. It was a good day on the trail.